To the dance. DJ Kilo. Straight from Chicago where the wind blows cold. Now in Arizona, 22 years strong and bold. You're the CEO and global groove, making the plays. Holding down the desert through the heat and the haze. Part of the full circle team, yeah, the legacy's deep. While the other DJs talk, you got promises to keep a billboard chart and producers up out by the best. You put the work in daily, never stopping for a ride.